Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to online classes. This side Hema Yadav from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Children, today I am going to teach you chapter 7, numbers 21 to 99. Children, in this chapter we have covered few topics in the previous part of the video, and now in this part of the video we are going to cover before, after, between, backward counting and ordering. So let's start with before, after, between. First of all we will see before numbers. A number just before any number is 1 less than it. For example, 75 is before 76 because 75 is 1 less than 76. 37 is before 38 because 37 is less than 138. So children, the number which is 1 less than the other number, it will be just before that number. Let's take one more example. Here I am writing 56. We have to find out before number of it. So we have to do 1 less than from it. It will be 55. So 55 is 1 less than 56. Clear all of you? Now the next is after numbers. A number after any number is 1 more it. Children, if we are going to write after number, so we have to add in that number. Then we will get after number of that. Look here, 34 is after 33. Here 34 is equal to 33 plus 1. Here we are going to add 1 in 33 and we get 34. 76 is after 75 because 75 is 1 more than 76. Let's take one more example, children. Here I am writing 97. What number will come after it? So we have to add 1 in 97. What will come? 98. So now a number between two numbers is in their middle. For example, 45 is between 44 and 46. Here we have to speak the counting. After 44 what will come? 45. So the middle number is the between number, 44, 45 and 46. Let's take one more example. 89 is between 88 and 90. 88, after 88, 89, then 90. So 89 is the middle number of it. Now let's start with backward counting. What is backward counting, children? Backward counting is that suppose we are coming down from the stairs. जब हम सीढ़ी से नीचे आते हैं, first we are going to up, हम जा रहे हैं तो 1 से लेकर we are going to the 100 from 1. But when we are coming down from the stairs, then we start from 100 to 1. Look here, 100. What will come before 100? 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90 and so on the other numbers. Now let's take one more example of this. Suppose we are going to write counting from 80, backward counting from 80 to 71. So we have to write before number of 80. 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72 and last number will be 71. Clear everyone? This is the backward counting and you can write the other numbers also like that. Now, ordering numbers. Ordering means increasing order and decreasing order. In increasing order, we have to write the number from smaller to bigger, and in decreasing order, we have to write bigger to smaller. So, first of all, we will see increasing order. In increasing order, we will write a small number first of all, then big, then bigger, and at the last the biggest number, the number which is the biggest in the numbers. For example, look here, 30, 35, 36, 42 are in increasing order. Let's take one more example here. I am writing few numbers here. Now we will arrange these numbers in increasing order. I am writing 74, 37, 42 and 53. Now we are going to arrange these numbers in increasing order. What we will do? We will arrange the numbers from a smaller number. Which number is smaller here? We have to check the place, tens place in all these numbers. Here 7, 3, 4, 5. 3 comes first in the counting, so this number will be a smaller number. So first of all, we will write 37. After 37, 42. After 42, 53. And after 53, the biggest number is 74. So these all numbers are small, big, bigger and biggest. Clear everyone? Now we will see decreasing order. In decreasing order, we will do just opposite of it. First of all, we will write big, small, smaller and smallest. We have to write the bigger number first of all. For example, 67, 63, 45, 24 are in decreasing order. Look here, the bigger number is first of all, then smaller, then again small, and this one is the smallest number. Now let's take one more example. Few numbers on the board. 92, 98, 73 and 45. You can find out which number is biggest in this number, in these numbers. 98 is the bigger number. We are comparing the numbers from their tens place. Then 92, then 73 and last 45. This one is in decreasing order. So children, I hope you have understood this part of the video very well. Now I am going to giving one task for our lived out session. Do practice of before, after, between, backward counting and ordering. Thank you kids.